Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset TCL Roku TV. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, inside move up to the system. Right here you'll be able to find advanced system settings, and first option inside is factory reset. Then you have two different options on reset. First one is reset TV audio picture settings. That means it will just reset the settings that you've changed on your TV and won't wipe any accounts or data. And second option is factory reset everything, which means your TV should return to its factory state and the setup. So let's go with the latter option, which is factory reset everything. And now it asks us for the PIN password, and you can find that code underneath right there. So type in that PIN 7759, click on OK and start factory reset. Now after a few moments it should return to the setup, and that means our factory reset is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.